How about that 1394? How about that 1394 one more time? 1953 Central Indiana tractor guy. We got the gate rolling.
Yeah, I guess we could. All right, tractor guy, got a lot of stations coming in there. Right in there with us, 1394 North Central Florida, which is we'll be standing by. Making a shot.
All right, 1394. Hey, good making another contact with a CBRT member. Hey, 1394 North something coast of Florida. Good making contact with another CBRT member. 1953. They call me the tractor guy. Central Indiana. Standing by.
How's Central Indiana doing tonight?
Ah, Central Indiana's beautiful this evening.
You got the 473 over Mexico.
All right, 473 Gulf of Mexico. How's the weather down there?
You sound like a local right to me, I tell you that. Yeah, that's a fine radio you have there.
473, appreciate the flowers. You sound fabulous up here in Indiana this evening, no doubt about it. 1953 said it.
Yeah, we're running on the horizontal side. Is that all right for you, or do you want me to turn over the other side?
Hey, it don't matter to me. All I got's vertical, but you sound good here, no doubt about it.
Yeah, you're running vertical. But as long as you hear me, that's all that counts.
Yeah, no doubt about that. Yeah, no doubt about it. You definitely sound good up here. Got no problems hearing you over the noise.
Where are you at? You're in Indiana or where?
Yeah, I'm up here in Indiana. I'm about 20 minutes north of Indianapolis.
Where'd you say you were in Indiana there, that fellow there? I'm back here in Indiana. You got a copy in Texas too on one they're trying.
473 in Gulf of Mexico. Be 1953. We're about 20 minutes north of Indianapolis.
Well, I didn't get you. He covered you up there.
473 Gulf of Mexico. 1953 Central Indiana. We're about 20 minutes north of Indianapolis.
He said, what, 23 miles? Where in Indiana?
We're about 20 minutes north of Indianapolis. Capital city of Indianapolis.
Indianapolis. I hear you too. Yeah, both you guys, you're up there in Indiana there. Yes, I'm out there in there. How they from 473 there, are you? Yeah, I'm talking to two parties at one time. Yeah, I know there.
Yeah, about it, BB. About it, BB.